In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to play both sides chess.com. Playing both sides of a chess game can be a useful way to study positions, analyze ideas, test opening variations, and improve your understanding of the game. Instead of competing against another player or a computer opponent, you'll have full control over both the white and black pieces. This allows you to experiment with different moves, explore strategic concepts, and examine positions from each player's perspective. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to access the feature on chess.com that allows you to play both sides of the board. The process is simple and only takes a few moments to set up. Once you're ready, you'll be able to move pieces for both colors and use the board as a learning and training tool. To begin, open your preferred web browser and go to chess.com. Once the website loads, sign in to your chess.com account. Logging in ensures that you have access to all available learning and training tools provided through the platform. After you've successfully signed in, direct your attention to the navigation menu located on the left side of the screen. This menu contains several sections that provide access to different features across chess.com. Look for the option labeled More and click on it to reveal additional tools and resources. Once the expanded menu appears, locate the Learn section. This area contains educational content and training resources designed to help players improve their chess skills. Move your mouse cursor over the Train option. When you hover over it, a small menu or window will appear with additional training features. From the options that become visible, select Classroom. This section provides an interactive environment that can be used for lessons, demonstrations, analysis, and board practice. After entering the classroom area, look for the option labeled New Room. Click on it to create a new classroom session. Once the room is created, you'll have access to a board where you can interact with both sides of the game. At this point, you'll be able to move pieces for white and black, allowing you to play both sides yourself. This setup is especially useful when reviewing opening lines, testing tactical ideas, studying endgames, or simply exploring different possibilities on the board without interruptions. Because you're controlling both sides, you can take your time and focus entirely on understanding the position rather than worrying about the result of a game. Many players use this approach to strengthen their chess knowledge and gain a deeper appreciation of how different plans work for each color. And that's how to play both sides on chess.com using the Classroom feature. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,